Welcome to the Selz Store Builder. With this powerful tool, you can build your storefront just the way you want it. After selecting a theme, you'll begin with a basic set of content blocks, all of which can be edited. You can add new blocks by clicking on the Blocks tab and selecting Add Block. You can add a block of text, like this, or add images, video, products, social feeds, or HTML. You can then move blocks around on the page by dragging them like this. It's that easy. To edit text, click on the text you want to edit, change it, and click Save when you're done. You'll see the results right away. Check out the Design tab for store-wide visual options and settings. Here's where you can do things like change your banner image, adjust colors and fonts, or choose how to display your logo. The settings here allow you to fine-tune your website to match your personal and brand preferences. Ready to get started? Your beautiful, customized online store is only a few clicks away.